Now that you're back on your dashboard, I'm going to show you how to use the single rad and multiple rad. They're pretty much identical. One allows you to do a single and the other one allows you to do 4 at a time. Generally you're going to have more than one thing, so you're going to probably use the multiple rad more than the single. The notepad that I asked you to pull out, it's a really good place to put some of the challenges that you find while you're doing your scanning or your testing, because you can come back here into the multiple rad and you can put those items into here and create a more intense therapy specifically to deal with those challenges. Maybe you saw something in the emotion matrix that they need support on, so you can put an affirmation in here to help with that specific challenge. You come up here, you hit the little note in the top left corner, it then creates the customized frequency and color to be able to help give support for that challenge. You can let this run in the background while you start to work on other things as well. So then you could come back over here to your Cephi, and you have things also like the healing vibe. So maybe in your discussions with them, they've kind of said, hey, you know what, I'm not feeling well in this area. I may want to be able to have a little bit more support in this area, or this has been bothering me. Well, you can come in here and you can open a few of these at a time, so you can kind of layer the challenges, or layer the therapies to be able to help correct the challenges. So you could come through here, maybe they were complaining of acne, maybe they're complaining of just they are having to be on antibiotics a lot, or who knows what that challenge was. But in your discussions with them, you're going to hear what some of those things are, so you can come through here and find whatever that thing is and help be able to give them therapy for it. You find it, select it, hit the note in the top left corner, and it will immediately begin to play. And you can play more than one of these at a time. Maybe they've been talking about that they're not resting well. So you could come over here to the brain tones. You could go to the theta state, which is to relax, and you would hit play. And these are going to run for as long as you allow them to run. Now, the tissue is charged in 3 to 5 minutes. You may want to keep a little egg timer next to you, so that way you don't overstimulate them. When they're done, you're just going to hit stop or hit the note again, and it will then stop the playing of that frequency. There's a lot of other items on the Cephi which we're going to touch on a little bit later. I just wanted to kind of show you how to use a few of those modalities to be able to layer them, kind of like an onion, to be able to attack multiple challenges at one time. So we'll show you more on the Cephi in another video. See you guys again in a little bit.